chik ma wacho ni obro dhiro e bunge mar piny Kenya kaponi jokasipulo yiere. Erokamano nya. Jesse, iwinjo kanyo ka jopiny openjo moko masanja. Wach mar PWD sindu address nade kaka jachung'?
Okay, erokamano VJ. An kaka Jesse Okello. Ang'e ni idhi landa tarik 27. Adhi chako tich. To first case is that of disability. By the way, there was a time now I sprang my knee and nenre makata guomo kenyako. So it taught me something about disability.
Okay.
Makata sani, I still have a painful left knee. Jomani disability,
okay,
gin kama tech.
Okay.
Never take them for granted. And personally, as the next MP for Kasipul, I'm going to sponsor a bill in Parliament. Okay. All people, persons with disabilities, we form groups where we allow them to import machineries tax-free for purposes of development. In any Kenya can't like machines malo small, machines malo so sabun. There are things we can just empower these groups. You know, we can't employ everybody. Okay. They should also be united because umoja ni nguvu. PWDs kokore wore, de nyaka ure, eka gebo konyore. No man is an island. Okay. Unity starts first. Kokunyari uweru, persons with disabilities. Amtakuwa na sauti.
Asante.
Yeah, they should come together and fight for themselves.
Okay. Okwayo kan nyoni obro tiyo gi rieko gi teko ma en go mar konyo jowa mantie kod